How to pin chats on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to pin chats on Instagram. Without further ado, let's get started. Launch Instagram app on your device and make sure your app is up to date. Sign in with your credentials and then head to the messenger icon at top right corner of your screen. This will lead you to the chat section of Instagram. So you can easily long press on any particular chat you wish to pin and a menu will appear at bottom. Here you will get the option to pin. Select that and at the top you can easily see the pin icon. So in this way you can easily pin chats on Instagram. If you wish to unpin later, you can easily long press on the chat again and tap unpin. So that is the perfect way to pin any chats on Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.